Mastering the sound can be challenging for ESL students, but with practice using the sing and long method, it can become much easier. The sound can vary in different languages and dialects, so it is important to practice consistently to improve your pronunciation. Here are some tips on how to master the sound using the sing and long method. First, it is important to understand the sound and how it is produced in your mouth. The sound is a voiced fricative sound, which means it is produced by forcing air through a narrow opening in the vocal tract. To practice this sound, start by saying the word sing slowly and focus on the position of your tongue and lips as you produce the sound. Next, practice elongating the sound by holding the sound for a few seconds. This will help you get a sense of the duration of the sound and how it should be pronounced. Try saying the word long slowly and holding the sound at the end to practice this technique. Once you have mastered the basic pronunciation of the sound, try practicing with various words and phrases that contain the sound. For example, practice saying words like song, bring, thing, and king to improve your pronunciation. You can also try practicing tongue twisters that contain the sound to further challenge yourself. Additionally, listening to native speakers pronouncing words with the sound can be helpful in improving your pronunciation. Try listening to songs, watching movies, or listening to podcasts in English to hear how native speakers pronounce words with the sound. Additional vocabulary: song, young, king, strong, blooming, laughing, dancing, jumping, bringing, going. In conclusion, mastering the sound can be challenging, but by focusing on the position of your tongue and lips, elongating the sound, and practicing with various words and phrases, you can become more confident in pronouncing the sound correctly.